Grade 8, Black 29, Subject Biology. Topic: Soil fertility, weeding and harvesting. Aim: able to explain difference between weeding and harvesting. Keywords: weeding, harvesting, cropping, seed bank, bioindicators. First of all, we are going to study about soil fertility. It is the ability of a soil to sustain plant growth by providing essential plant nutrients and favorable chemical, physical and biological characteristics as a habitat for plant growth. Plant nutrients include the macronutrients nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, sulfur, calcium and magnesium. Next, we will going to study about weeding. The removal of unwanted plants growing naturally with the crop is called weeding. The weeds compete with the crop for water, nutrients, space and light, thereby affecting the growth. Examples of common weeds are grass, amaranthus and dandelion. Next, we will going to continue to study about harvesting. Harvesting is the process of removal of entire plants or economic parts after maturity. The economic product may be grain, seed leaf, root or entire plant. The remaining portions of the stem that is left on the field after harvest is known as stubble. Next topic is best practices in agriculture. Several organizations like ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. ICAR is an organization that conducts agricultural education and research in India. The Green Revolution of 1970 was one of the successful research operations carried under them. Next, we will going to continue to study about crop rotation. It is the practice of planting different crops sequentially on the same plot of land to improve soil health, optimize nutrients in the soil and compact pest and weed pressure. For example, say a farmer has planted a field of corn. The principle of crop rotation is to grow specific groups of vegetables on a different part of the vegetable plot each year. This helps to reduce a build-up of crop-specific pest and disease problems, and it organizes groups of crops according to their cultivation needs. What are the advantages of crop rotation? A crop rotation can help to manage your soil and fertility, reduce erosion, improve your soil's health and increase nutrients available for crops. Last topic, we are going to study about use of bioindicators. Bioindicators are living organisms such as plants, planktons, animals and microbes which are utilized to screen the health of the natural ecosystem in the environment. They are used for assessing environmental health and biogeographical changes taking place in the environment. Why are lichens used as bioindicators? The hardy lichens are useful bioindicators for air pollution, especially sulfur dioxide pollution, since they derive their water and essential nutrients mainly from the atmosphere rather than from the soil. It also helps that they are able to react to air pollutants all year round. Thank you, students.